45% of total deaths due to occupational injuries of the world are happening in India alone, sir. This is what is the number given by International Labour Organization ILO. Every 15 seconds, a workman is dying from work-related disease or accident. Now, what is the impact of this, sir? The impact of this is that it is costing the globe about 4% of the GDP. And ILO further puts that there are massive unreporting which is going on across the globe, including that of India. I have got 6 specific suggestions to make, sir. First is the dignity of labor. Number 2, माननीय मंत्री जी, कितना साल लगेगा claim settlement करने के लिए? How many years will take to settle a claim? I will come to my number 3 point on the cause of accident. Whenever an accident happens, there is a compensation paid. But is it not necessary for us to analyze the cause of accident? I will come to the 4th point, how much the compensation we pay to a worker. My 5th point is that why not to build in a mechanism so that the system will take care of itself to pay the compensation which should be of a right amount, and it should be paid within the time frame that is agreed upon. And my last point, why not to incentivize those enterprises who are running their factory without accident or minimal accident.